Do you want to know how you can upload or keep a status in your Line Messenger app? If yes, then this video is specially for you. Hello and welcome to How to Login. Let's go ahead and dive straight into the video. Open the Line Messenger app on your phone. After you open the Line Messenger app, what you need to do is click on Home, which you see on the bottom left hand corner of your screen. Now, what you need to do is click on this button so you can see enter a status message over here right below your display name. Go ahead and tap on it and you can write down your status. So in order for you to write down a status, just go ahead and click on enter a status message over here, and you can write something like hey, or as soon as you click on hey, you can see some of the emojis over here. You can use this inbuilt line emojis as well and click save afterwards. After you click on save, you can now see that this status has been kept. If you want to edit it or remove it, just go ahead and tap on it and click on edit, and you can add or remove the complete status as well. So you can see this feature over here. You can use this, click save, and your status will be saved. So you can see some additional functions like Profile Studio, Decorate, and Keep Memo, which is over here. You can use this feature to keep a good status for yourself, which will make your profile look active and auspicious. So I hope this video about how you can keep status in Line was helpful for you. If you still have any kind of confusion, please do mention us on the comment section down below. Like the video, subscribe to the channel, and do hit the bell button for more. Hope to see you in the next video as well. Until then, goodbye, take care, and make sure you enjoy.